Welcome to my car and train channel. Today I want to share with you this huge piece of equipment which I assume it's to dig ditches on the side of the road. I'm not 100% sure, so in the title and the description of the video I will be more accurate. Two opposite side consist, so it consists with two opposite side rail cars with those huge blades which are assumed are meant to go in the ground, unless it is to shape the ballast, not sure. This one is kind of isolated. It might be more for display. The truck doesn't go anywhere. So let me step in for you. I put the camera on the floor. You can see here the upper portion of the blade. The levers, the actuators, it's made by BRON. I will find more online. That equipment must have a lot of power when you see the size of the hydraulic and the pistons. Let's be careful when going down. The engine to give the energy to the hydraulic supply. I don't think I'm going to go on the other side because they look so symmetrical. And there is a chain. Now I'm going to show you the other side of the two rail cars. Okay. Now let's walk back so that again you can see the consist of the two opposite rail cars. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please ask them through the